Ooh. Yummy.
Delicious.
Cock. Blender spoon. No. Blender spoon.
It's all that cream.
Do you want some more cream in here?
No, it's all. I mean, Oh. COVID.
What cup we using? I think we might need to blend it for a little bit.
No, it's okay.
Take a Frosty then.
That's okay. Frosty cookie. Tom.
That's your. Why are you bending the cup like that? Well, you can add your Hershey's if you want.
Clitoris.
Well, not Hershey's at all, just fucking off-brand Our Family chocolate syrup.
I don't like our family.
You don't like your family? Yummy. Ooh.
When she takes off her pants.
Jesus Christ, get the syrup all over it. The spoons are right there.
I'm using a fork.
Okay, use a fork then. Yeah.
It's fucking. Every time we fucking make the milkshake, he makes a fucking mess. Dripping on the fucking fridge.
Oh my god.
Hey, can I open the fridge real quick? What? It's dripping into the fridge? Yo. Pretty loud.
Yeah, we have to push it down again. Hey Carter, do you want a straw? You said you wanted a straw, right?
I don't care.
Okay, I'll get you a straw. What color? I'll get you blue. And now I'll get you a spoon just in case. How good's the milkshake?
Mmm.
Are you stupid? Good milkshake.